What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, guys, smash it, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. I am back, guys, with Guaranteed Leads IO. The link is in the description if you want to check this out and see what this is all about. But I'm back because I want to show you guys more results. This thing is working. I'm receiving my leads. Okay, when I say my leads, there is a service in the back office. Okay, you up front, you're gonna make $75 every time you resell this system, right? It's $125 one time to get this Guaranteed Leads IO system. But in the back office, they have, which we will look at here, they talk about a vendor in the back office that offers high quality lead sources, an automated texting platform, bulk email software done for you campaigns that this company is providing. I'm letting them know that I've increased it. I was getting 2 leads a day. I've increased it to 5 leads a day. And I started, my campaign started on Monday of this week, and it looks like it's just Monday through Friday. So I've received 5 leads every day this week, Monday through Friday. And then when one of the prospects, one of the high quality leads that they interview, because the company is texting them and emailing them on my behalf and sending them to the link that I requested them to send them to, when these people click on that link, this company, the vendor in the back office, this is an additional service that you can pay for. When they click the link, they send me a text and email to say, hey, you've got a hot lead now. Okay, out of all the leads that we've emailed you, someone has clicked the link. Okay, so that's my cue. Okay, the way that I run my business is now I will reach out to those people when it becomes a hot lead. Okay, but they're emailing me the name, email, and phone number of these people. So at any point in time, I can pick up the phone, email them, or text them. Okay, but what I've been doing this week, because I've been pretty busy, once it says it's a hot lead, I reach out, I make a phone call, because remember, the person is going to see my sales page. So they already see me, they see my name, my phone number, right? So they now will be able to hear from me personally. Okay, so now I actually reach out to them and say, hey, tell them who I am, let them know that they've looked at my website, did they have any questions, and then I also email them. Okay, so this is a great way to get leads on autopilot through this vendor that's in the back office. You won't be able to see this until you become a paid member. Okay, once you become a paid member, pay your $125 one time. There's no monthly fees. Once you log into your back office, you're going to see this company under picks and shovels. Okay, and remember, this is non-refundable, guys, so make sure you get all your questions answered through whoever you sign up with. So get back to the person you signed up with, all right, and get your questions answered when or before you purchase. Make sure you have a clear understanding of what you're getting into. Okay, because it's non-refundable. This is a business opportunity. Okay, so it's $125 one time. The person that you sign up with is going to receive $75 commissions, and then the company is going to receive $50. Okay, and you can receive your payments any way you want, guys. You can set it up in your back office. There is a get started video to show you how to set up everything. You can accept credit card payments, Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, or Bitcoin. Okay, so any way you want, and this is instant payments. All right, so GL is a turnkey affiliate program designed to help marketers generate upfront cash flow and leads to fuel their business. Okay, this online platform supports the home business, internet business, and crypto opportunities. It's a lead source center that provides members with access to targeted leads and automated communications platforms. All right, so let's check this out real quick. Let's check this out.
Hey, it's Simon and welcome to the GuaranteedLeads.io order page. Make sure you've seen our business presentation on a previous page before proceeding. If you're involved with any opportunity and could use more leads, customers, and cash flow, you're in the right place.
That's great to hear.
GuaranteedLeads.io was built by marketers for marketers. Through decades of trial and error, we've discovered some of the best third-party advertising tools and resources available for marketing any online business right now. We're talking about high-quality lead sources, automated texting platforms, bulk email software, done-for-you ad campaigns, etc. Game-changing tools that you may never have discovered on your own are now available all together on the other side of this page. Not to mention an incredible opportunity to stack unlimited commissions from multiple streams of income. The cost to open this vault for life is $125 one time. There may not be a better value anywhere on the internet. You know what to do next. You can do it! Let's get this party started.
I'm always looking for the right opportunities.
I can sell it. Can you sell it?
100 million billion %.
Show me the money! Show me the money! Show me the money! Show me the money!
According to the FTC, the SEC, the ABC, XYZ, and any other three-letter agency, we're required to disclose that all financial references in this video are just examples of what's possible and in no way represent a guaranteed income. All results are based on your personal efforts and the efforts of those you share this with. Your success or failure depends solely on your ability to take action and follow this simple plan.
Alright guys, Guaranteed Leads IO. So, let's check out the sales page and then I want to show you some more results. Okay, when you opt into my page below, the link is in the description. You're going to see this page, guys. Make sure you watch this video, okay? It gives you a great explanation of what this entails, okay? Read over the website. Jot down your questions. If you have any for me, reach out to me. I'll be happy to answer those questions. All right, this page is coded to you. As an affiliate, you have your own specific link. All right, this thing pays out $75 commissions. It has a reverse 1-up. Your first sale you're going to keep, guys, so you get your money back on that first sale minus the $50. The second sale passes up to your sponsor. Everybody passes up their second sale. After that, the third sale and beyond, you keep all the commissions. So with everybody passing up that second sale, everybody that joins you will pass up their second sale. Okay, so that's going to give you leverage in the platform to earn these passive $75 commissions. All right, guys. It includes a capture page system, autoresponder. Okay, so that way when people opt in, they're going to get those email drips. So the company has this is already included in that 125. Okay, and remember, the lead source company, that is in the back office. That's an additional service that they have in there, third-party company, all right, that offers these great services that we're talking about: the targeted leads, the automated SMS system, the email marketing, lead marketing components that you have here. Okay, so just make sure you check all that out. You'll have a page coded to you where you can actually put your picture in there, guys, and they have a FAQ look question deal here. All right, so jot down your questions. If you have any for me, reach out to me. If you're serious and you're ready to get started, it's $125 one time, no monthly fees. All right, with that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video, guys. Don't forget to smash it. Gotcha. Let me show you the results. Hang on a second. Okay, without showing the person's email and their name, I'm covering that up. Right here, as you can see, another Stripe payment, $75 came in for GL membership. That was today at lunchtime. How about that? All right. So these things can come in on autopilot once you set this thing up and start getting traffic to your capture page, or actually having the company in the back office do do the texting for you and sending you leads, okay, on a daily basis, guys. All right, so click the link in the description. Go ahead and get started. Look forward to working with you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash it. All right, guys, see you on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.